here with ERA Byars Realty right here on Smith Lake. And look, today we're going to be looking at a home in the Brushy Creek area of Smith Lake. This is going to be a 4-bedroom, 4-bath with about 3,000 square feet. Outstanding home. Listen, it's priced under $700,000, right at $699. I'm ready to show it to you, so let's go. So today we're going to be looking at 1172 Valley Drive in Houston, Alabama, right here on Smith Lake. And look, this is, I did not say Houston, Texas, but I said Houston, Alabama, right here on Smith Lake. This home is going to be priced at $699,000. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home. Just a great lake home at a great price, and it's got about 120 feet of water frontage. And we're going to go take a look at it right now. This is a ranch style house. It's got a great porch going all the way across on the roadside. This is a great place to put a swing, furniture, whatever you want to do right here on the roadside. So nice little setup. Of course, there's the next house over right there. And looking back, you'll see the road. Again, it does have the circular driveway. Let's go in right here. We're going to take a tour right here. So as soon as we get in, you're going to notice it's all big and open. Now these are LVT flooring right here. This is not real hardwood. It's not laminate. It is the LVT flooring. And now the layout of this up here is going to be, it's going to have 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Each bedroom have their own baths, which is nice in this home. So you're going to have 2 bedrooms up here. They're going to really almost mirror each other. And I'll show you that. And we do have the basement that you see the little door straight ahead. So first of all, it's just going to go, I'm going to go right over here and see the kitchen area for the fridge there. Nice island. It's really nice. It does have the windows, you know, the big patio windows on the lakeside, so you have a lot of natural light coming in. And just check out this very nice kitchen area that is open to the living area right there. Right, and behind me right here, before we get started anywhere else, is going to be the laundry room. So we do have a good size, decent sized laundry room. Okay, and I'm going to go back out, and it does not have, this does not come already equipped with a cooktop and an oven. So that would be something that if you decided you wanted to have, or the next buyer wants to have, then they'll be able to pick out their own and get what they want there. All right, so let's go to the left side over here, and we're going to walk into this bedroom. Again, each of them have their own private baths, which is nice. So these are 9-foot ceilings here. Nice bedroom. And to our left right here is going to be a nice bathroom as well. Those are tile floors into the bathroom. You have a tub and just a shower enclosure with the sliding doors. Patio doors looking out. Each bedroom have their own patio doors walking out onto the lakeside deck. You do have a lakeside view here as well. Back into the living area right here, and I'm gonna close this door because we'll go down to the basement in a moment. So just a nice large living area. There's plenty of room to put sofas here. You've got an area over there. When you come in, you could probably, most likely would make your dining area if you want a dining table right there. That'd be a good spot. Excuse me, a good spot for it. The other bedroom on this side, on the main level right here, is gonna be right here. This is going to be a similar size to the other the bedroom we just saw. And it's going to have a bigger walk-in closet right here. So very, very big closet right there. And then coming over to that is going to be another bathroom that's going to pretty much mirror the other bedroom and bathroom that we just saw. So we got our tub there. A shower enclosure, just a fiberglass shower enclosure with the sliding doors, as you can see. That is the setup up here on the main level. Now I will take you out here since we're here on the main level. Let's go out and check out this lakeside deck. And this is right here is the showstopper for sure. Just a great lot, easy to get to. It does have some steps going down to the water. That's gonna be our steps there, but it does have about 3 landings right there, so it's not a bad walk. And this is, again, this is the Brushy Creek area. Now this is kind of a little inlet off of Brushy Creek. Again, this is the Emerald Valley Estates, and it does end right down here. We're facing almost directly west. The west is going to be that way, so we'll have a west. You will have an afternoon sunshine in the summertime and in the evenings. But as it's set up right now, you are going to be protected by trees. You're not going to have an awful lot of direct sunlight unless you cut some trees down, because you will have some shade for those trees in here. And also, while we're shooting this, keep in mind the water is down currently right at 10 feet below full pool. So with this water will actually be up a little bit higher than you see now, but it is on full-time water, year-round water right now, which is nice. But yeah, this is just a nice. Again, this porch goes all the way across, just sort of like the front does. A great spot to sit out here and enjoy your morning coffee, barbecue, whatever it is you want to do. And there's some steps going down, and we'll go down here in just a moment. So let's go check out the basement now. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to check out the basement. So this is off the main living area. We're going to walk down. Okay, before we go to our right over here, we're going to have a room to our left. Now this can serve as multifunction. This can serve as an office. There's a utility sink down here, storage. Could be served as another bedroom. We will go straight across right here, and a nice huge living area that's down here. We do have a little wet bar as well. So let's turn and take a look at that. That's nice. The bedrooms are going to mirror each other down here as well. So big bedroom, they're going to have their own private baths, except one will have access to the hall. And we're going to go over, check out the big large area. The great space. Send the kids down here, have a separate family. If you want to have 2 families that are going in together on this, one can live down here, one upstairs. And this is going to be the 4th bedroom right here. Again, another large bedroom, really big. And it does have a private bath. But this door actually, through this bathroom, actually goes out to the living area out there. So you would have access to you from the outside right there. Now we will walk out to the outside. Just check out, this is an all concrete pad under the porch right here. I love this. It's a great spot here to and out and enjoy the lake. And this time of year, especially, we're shooting this in December. So it's very peaceful. Here we are. But let me look here on the side first, so you can see the side coming up. So if you had a driveway, does come down right around there, but we do have a little area that you could bring in if you needed to park a boat or a trailer or whatnot, golf cart, whatever. You got an easy way to get down here to do that. Okay, so check out this stairs as we go down. This deck is a nice. This deck part right here is not all that old. It's been painted. It's in really good shape. There's no rotten boards anywhere. This is wood. This is not composite, even though it does have a little bit of a look, but they painted it and it looks really well. So again, keep in mind that as we're looking at this, the water is down 10 feet. So just as we get right here, you can picture the water being all the way up to right here. So this right here would just be, you have water just look a lot different when water's at full pool. So just keep that in mind. But with that being said, we still have some great water right here, even at 10 feet below. So you're surrounded by nice homes. Again, this is a really nice neighborhood. It's well established. This is going to end that way. This ends there. This little inlet, and the main part of Brushy Creek is going to be out that way. So you're going to be not even a mile from the main part of Brushy Creek right there. Now, one thing I want to note about this dock that we're on, right here on the dock, this boards on the dock are composite boards. This is composite here. The deck coming up right up there is not, that is not composite, that is wood, but it is in very good shape. Again, no rot there. So as we come down, easy to get to. So we've got a single slip dock with a lift, and it does have the swim platform. It does have a personal watercraft lift as well. But your swim platform with your ladder, great place to hang out and swim, fish. There's not going to be a lot of through traffic here because it does end right down there, so you're not going to get the boat traffic here is going to be very minimal, which is going to be nice because you're just not going to move your dock around an awful lot. But this is a great place to swim, fish, just a nice lake home right here. So again, this is 1172 Valley Drive in Houston, Alabama, right here on Smith Lake in the Brushy Creek area of Smith Lake. Currently listed at $699,000. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath with about 3,000 square feet. And hey, this is move-in ready. Just it is set up for if somebody had a large family or if two families wanted to go in together. This would be a great spot to do that. So anyway, my name is Jacob Sanders. I'm with ERA Byars Realty right here on Smith Lake. And hey, I want to be able to help you with your Smith Lake real estate needs. If you have any questions about this home and would like to schedule a time to look at it, give me a call. You can visit jacobsandershomes.com. And I just told you to shoot me a call, but I didn't give you my phone number, right? So my phone number is 205-369-2803. Again, you can also visit Jacob Sanders Homes to see the full details of this listing and all of the listings on Smith Lake. And we're going to be a resource for you here on the lake. So if we can help you in any way, if you're buying or selling or just need some info in general about Smith Lake, give us a call. We're here to help. Hey, thanks for watching. And look, before we go, if you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button, and we're going to keep bringing them for you every week. Hey, have a great day. Have a great week. We look forward to seeing you on the lake soon.